Good morning, good evening, good afternoon guys. Welcome back to La Rapida, another done and planned video. Today is market day. It is Saturday the 16th of July and we're just going to have a quick look around now, but I think they are starting to close up. Right, I had a little look around the market. We're a bit late to be honest. Wasn't much there for us anyway. What's going on there? So now we've got our swimming stuff and we're just heading down the marina, have a little swim, dip in the pool, a little refresh. Whew. Cooking. We're just chilling down the marina, in and out of the pool, just there, just absolutely loving it, sunbathing. Need to go and fuel the van up, possibly get some supplies from a little supermarket, so we'll go and do that soon. Lovely little swim in the marina, nice little sunbathe. I fell asleep on the grass, I fell asleep on the sun lounger, left my phone on the grass and I had a high temperature warning, so I stood in the library part with my phone under the aircon. It seems to be fine now. And Pam swam. Amazing. Oh, that's not like ridicule or anything. Like Pam never learned to swim, so I'm just so proud of her that she swam there. I'm not saying like, oh, Pam swam, like, anyway. So we just had a little lunch in this Spanish restaurant over the road. I'll show you. In that Spanish place there. Now I'm going to show what it's like inside a Spanish supermarket. Super cool. That's where we are now. Have a look. These are incredible. They are so good. We left the Superco. I think it's like an offshot of Carrefour. Yeah, we just had a little look around. Just got the van cooling down now. We're going to go fill up. Just up there we're seeing somewhere that was 182 a litre, so it seems like the cheapest we've seen so far. And then we're going to go to Mercadona. Quite a boring little day really, but just chilling, enjoying the weather, relaxing, you know, it's got to be done. Right, we've just dropped the van off and now we're walking back down. I'm going to wash me all birds because these shoes, they're like merino wool. You can wash them, but I mean they're filthy at the minute, but here they'll dry really well, so bringing them, that's me driving shoes, bringing them back down to wash. Just been to Mercadona, got some supplies, and then head up onto the roof. Let's go. Right, we've got the shoes in the wash. Now we've just got changed. I've literally just changed shirts because I was sweating, so I put that one in the wash. And now we're heading down to a Chiringuito just to watch sunset and have a couple of little drinks, because tomorrow we're meeting Ross and going to like their lake, the version of Spanish Lake District, which should be pretty nice. Let's walk down. Just stopped for a little refresher on the way down. As you can see, the sweat on me. And we've just heard some music start around the corner. We're still on our way to a Chiringuito down the beach, but we just needed some liquids to keep us going. There might be some music when we head back up. At the minute, they're not playing, they're just kind of messing about. Right, we're nearly at the little Chiringuito we're going to now. We need another drink. It is
warm as toast.
Warm as toast. Warm as toast.
Well, it makes a change from Scotchio, doesn't it?
It is, well, it's like what? 9:15 and still Scotchio. Whew.
It's better.
There must be something happening across here as well. Come back and check that out later. Cheeky little Mediana, little Aquarius. And this view, not bad. This is an awesome little Chiringuito, beautiful view, nice freezing cold beer, nice. So we're just down the front at Garby Beach now, and there's some kind of ceremony on tonight where they're handing over the current Queen's crown to the new Queen, and I'll show you the setup in front of us. So the existing Queen's over there somewhere getting a photograph taken. There's a stage here and it's a handing over service. So her crown goes to a new Queen tonight, and that's what this is. It's currently 10:15 and this band behind me here that you can see are just starting their sound check. That's the Spanish time. Look at this, man. So we've just seen those candles there. Have a look how busy the streets are now at 10:20. So just on the walk back up, you can see I'm sweating. So we've stopped and we've got a little Mediana. Pam's having a Bailey's just to cool down before we go back. Whew, beautiful. We're heading back up to the apartment now because we've got a busy day tomorrow. We've just finished that Mediana, Bailey's, and we've got a Fanta to end on. Rock and roll. Now, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.